Students, the chemical name of lime is calcium hydroxide. Lime water is prepared by dissolving lime in water. Milk of magnesia is a medicine which helps us in digesting our food. It contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. The baking soda used in making cake, breads, and in other bakery items contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. When your mother cleans the window, put a drop of solution she is using on your palm and feel it. You will feel slippery on your palm. This is because cleaners are made of ammonium hydroxide, which is a base. We use chalk in schools for writing on the blackboard. Is it a base or an acid? Chalk gives a basic solution when dissolved in water. It is called calcium carbonate chemically.